Welcome back. In today's video I'll be showing you how to boost the volume of your Android phone if it is too quiet. I'll be showing you within Samsung's version of Android, so some of the settings options may differ slightly on your device. Let's get into the methods. The first method to boost the volume is to change some of the settings on your phone. Open the Settings app and then scroll down and choose Sounds and Vibration from the list or something named similar. Within here, first check that the volume is turned up by tapping on volume and then by increasing the sliders for the volume type that you want to boost. You can also use the volume buttons on your device and then tap on the volume slider that appears to change the individual volume settings. The next and probably most effective way to increase the volume is to get a volume booster app. Head to the Play Store and search for Volume Booster. There'll be plenty to choose from that you might want to try, but make sure you get those that have some genuine reviews. I've used the GoodEv Volume Booster in the past, so you could try this one. Install it from the Play Store, but before you open it, you need to make sure you are careful when boosting the volume. Not only could this potentially break your phone's speakers, but it could damage your hearing, so do not boost it all the way, as your device might not be designed to be boosted at all. After opening the app, you might need to allow notifications, and then you can set the volume as well as the boost slider. Again, please be careful when boosting the volume. Next, search for Sound Quality or Equalizer from the homepage of the settings. If you see the Equalizer option, tap on this, and now you might want to try out each sound profile to see if this increases the volume. If you want a bass boost, you can slightly increase the lower sliders at the bottom. Some apps like Spotify will also have their own equalizers built in. On Spotify's equalizer, choose the Vocal Boost sound profile to slightly increase the volume. Next, it's a good idea to check your speakers or sound device to ensure that the speakers are not blocked by dust or debris that will lower the volume. That's how to boost the volume of your Android phone if it is too quiet. Click the card on screen now to watch a video of mine showing you 10 easy ways to speed up your Android device. If you have any questions, then let me know in the comments below, and if you did find today's video helpful, remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe for more tips in the future. Be sure to stick around to see some of my other videos that you might be interested in. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in another video.